Hi, today we're going to show you how to calibrate the cordless hand drill soil sampler. This sampler is an improvement on the old soil sampling pogos that you might be familiar with, and it enables a quick and accurate soil sampling of your paddocks. It must, however, be calibrated to a sampling depth of 10 centimeters. You will need several items to calibrate the sampler to your drill, which include a high-powered battery-operated cordless drill that is going to be used for sampling. We prefer to use at least an 18-volt drill. The stainless steel soil sampler and stainless steel auger. A piece of electrical conduit to be cut to size for a calibration spacer. A tape measure or ruler, and a hacksaw or knife for trimming. The first step is to calibrate the auger clearance. This is to ensure that the tungsten tip does not wear away at the bottom of the bucket. The design of the spacer has now changed. Instead of a bit of PVC pipe, we now have a collar, stainless steel collar with an Allen key. This collar can be moved to ensure there is a 1 to 2 millimeter gap between the bucket and the tungsten tip. The next step is to calibrate the sampling depth. To do this, you will need to attach the auger shank of the assembled sampler to the cordless drill chuck, making sure that the auger is all the way into the chuck. Then slide the auger through the sampler base until 10 centimeters is protruding through the base. Ensure the measurement is 10 centimeters from the base of the sampler bucket to the end of the auger flights where it joins the tungsten tip. Now, without moving the auger and sampler, measure the distance between the top of the sampler tube and the beginning of the drill's chuck, which in this case is close to 21.5 centimeters. Cut a piece of the 3/4 inch electrical conduit that has been supplied to the required length, which in this case is again 21.5 centimeters. Once the conduit is cut to the required length, you can remove the auger from the drill and slide the newly cut spacer over the auger shank. Reconnect the auger to the drill chuck with the PVC spacer in place, ensuring the auger shank is all the way into the drill's chuck, and tighten. Now it is important that you double check that the auger depth is correct. Remeasure the auger from the base of the sampler bucket to check that the auger is extending exactly 10 centimeters to the end of the auger flights. Your cordless soil sampler is now calibrated and good to go. We advise that you remeasure the length of the auger occasionally, as the spacer will eventually wear out over time and possibly will need to be replaced. Also, remember that the calibration is specific to the make and model of the drill you used. If for some reason you have to change drills, you will need to recheck the depth and possibly redo the calibration and cut a new piece of conduit. Happy sampling!